Hello there, bienvenidos. Welcome to Mexicarte Museum, the official Mexican and Mexican-American Fine Art Museum of Texas. We're located on the corner of 5th and Congress in the heart of downtown Austin, Texas. So this next section of the collection, From Revolution to Renaissance, is entitled Reinventing the Nation. So this is where the artists of Mexico at that time started focusing on their indigenous roots. And so when we say indigenous, we're talking about the natives, the Indians. And there's many different indigenous groups within Mexico, and they have very rich cultural traditions. So the artists, they start focusing on that, and they start showcasing that within the art. At this time as well, they're also developing their own styles. So you see, for instance, Carlos Merida here. He paints very flatly, and he's very much drawn to patterns. You see lots of patterns within the huipiles of the indigenous women. And we know they're indigenous because they have the darker skin, they have the traditional trenzas or braids, but he paints very flatly. On the other hand, Roberto Montenegro here, he has his own style, which he focuses a little bit more on dimensional qualities. The cheeks actually look as though they go back. They have more three-dimensional feel. But again, these are indigenous people, the traditional braids. We see the pottery from Oaxaca, which is a state along the southern coast of Mexico, has the most indigenous people and population within that state. The black pottery they would wear on their heads, they're water carriers. So you start seeing some of those rich traditions coming through in these paintings. The mask maker is a great example of how in Mexico art is, it's part of the everyday life. They eat, breathe, and sleep art. It comes natural. They're constantly using their hands, whether they're cutting flowers to sell in the mercado or they're preparing these beautiful lush fruits in really aesthetically pleasing ways, or they're making masks for Dia de los Muertos or special traditions. I love how the artist, this is Jose Chavez Morado, and he focuses on the hands too. They've got these long, elongated fingers, stained with paint. But you can see in the expression of the mask maker, he's very tired. He's been selling these masks all day long. They get up early in the morning, the hustle and bustle starts in the mercado. So he's been sitting there for a while, and it's dark by now, so he's probably ready for something to eat and ready for his cama, his bed.